The next part we're going to create are our support pieces for our step stool, which is board C. So we're going to hit File, New, and we're going to select Part, and OK. You can draw this from whatever plane you would like, but I'm going to draw it from the front plane. From the front plane, I'm going to go to Sketch, and I'm going to use the corner rectangle tool. When I draw that, don't worry about dimensions because I'll go to Smart Dimension, and the height of this will be 1.5 inches by 14 inches. After you have it dimensioned, you will hit Exit Sketch. Then you will select your sketch on the left side here, select Features, and Extrude Boss Base. We're still using the same size wood, so 3/4 of an inch. Press Enter, and check your Boss Extrude box. Now we're going to fillet this board. You want your full preview set. Make sure your fillet parameters will be 0.25. You will select the top line on both sides. And that is it. So you'll check mark your fillet. At this point, your board C is done. Make sure you save as board C into your file.